Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. Today we're going to show you how to log into your Comenity Bank account. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Comenity Bank website. You can do this by typing d.comenity.net/ac/communitycard/public/home onto the address bar and hitting enter. Once you are on the home page, look for the sign in button. Click on it. After that, a box will appear at the right hand side. Now type in your username and password. Make sure to enter these details correctly to avoid any login issues. After that, click on sign in button. You will be now logged into your Comenity Bank account. From here, you can manage your accounts, transfer funds, pay bills and much more. If you have any trouble logging in, make sure to double check your username and password. If you have forgotten your password, you can use the forget password link to reset it. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.